How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you tall?
No, I'm short.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy.
What is your email address?
It's anna@mail.com.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What is your address?
I live at 25 Green Street, New York.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on March 10th. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite drink?
What is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 7.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
What is your favorite hobby?
I like reading books.
What is your favorite sport?
I like swimming.
What is your favorite animal?
I like cats.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, my friends call me Jack.
Are you a student or a worker?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you work or study?
I work at a school in New York.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lisa.
Where does your friend live?
She lives in my neighborhood.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, we go out on Saturdays.
Do you call your friends every day?
Not every day, but often.
Do your friends speak English?
Some of them do.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Is your family big?
Yes, it is.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help at home.
Do your siblings study?
Yes, they go to school.
Do you have a cousin?
Yes, I have many cousins.
Is your family important to you?
Yes, very important.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What does your mother do?
She is a nurse.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have 2 grandmothers.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Yes, every weekend.
Yes, very much.
Are your parents kind?
Yes, they are. What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at home?
No, I eat at work.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do.
Do you take a shower at night?
Yes, I take a shower before bed.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, every weekend.
What time do you get up on weekends?
I get up at 8 a.m.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I always do.
Do you work on Saturdays?
No, I don't.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Do you cook on weekends?
Yes, I cook dinner for my family.
What do you do on Sunday?
I relax and visit my family.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, on Saturdays.
Do you watch movies on weekends?
Yes, sometimes in the evening.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
Do you read books at night?
Yes, before I sleep.
Do you live in a city or village? I live in a city. Is your city big? Yes, it is. What is your favorite place? I like the park. Do you go to the library? Yes, sometimes. Do you go to the bank? Yes, to take money. How do you go to school or work? I go by bus. Do you have a car? No, I don't. Do you walk to work? Yes, I do. Do you take the train?
No, not often.
Is the bus fast?
No, it is slow.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in an apartment.
How many rooms are in your home?
There are 4 rooms.
Is your home big or small?
It is small.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a garden?
No, I don't.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, every day.
Do you watch TV at home?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we eat together.
Do you have a pet at home?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I love it.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bike?
No, I can't.
Can you drive a car?
No, not yet.
Can you dance?
A little bit.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't, but I want to learn.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you draw?
Yes, I like drawing.
Can you cook?
Yes, very well.
Can you sing?
No, I can't.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, especially comedies.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I don't.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love them.
Do you like going to school?
Yes, I do.
Do you like working?
Yes, I like my job.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, every day.
Do you use your phone a lot? Yes, I use it every day. Do you text your friends? Yes, we text every day. Do you use social media? Yes, I use Facebook and Instagram. Do you sleep early? Yes, I do. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you wake up early? Yes, around 6:30 a.m. Is it cold today? Yes, very cold. Do you like rainy days? No, I don't. Do you like snow? Yes, I do. Do you wear a coat in winter? Yes, I always wear a warm coat. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. Why do you like winter? Because I love snow and hot chocolate. Do you like summer? Yes, but sometimes it's too hot.
Are you a student or a worker? I am a teacher. Where do you work or study? I work at a school in New York.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Do you have many colleagues?
Yes, about 15.
Do you get along with them?
Yes, very well.
Do you work in a team?
Yes, with 5 people.
Do you have deadlines?
Yes, often.
Is your job stressful?
Sometimes.
Do you enjoy your tasks?
Yes, mostly.
Do you have a morning break?
Yes, at 11.
How long is it?
15 minutes.
What do you do?
I drink tea and chat.
Do you bring snacks to work?
Sometimes.
Do you go outside during your break?
Rarely in the morning.
Do you check your phone at work?
Yes, briefly.
Do you talk to colleagues during breaks?
Yes, we chat.
Do you rest your eyes from the computer?
Yes, I look away from the screen.
Does the break help you feel better?
Yes, very much.
What time is lunch?
At 1.
How long is your lunch break?
1 hour.
Where do you eat lunch?
In the cafeteria.
Do you bring food from home?
Sometimes.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Salad and soup.
Do you eat with colleagues?
Yes, with 2 friends.
Do you buy lunch?
Yes, usually.
How much does it cost?
About €8.
Do you drink water at lunch?
Yes, always.
How do you get home?
By metro.
Is it crowded in the evening?
Yes, quite crowded.
What do you do on the way?
I read or listen to music.
What time do you arrive home?
At 5:30.
Are you tired?
Yes, usually.
Is anyone home when you arrive?
Yes, my husband and children.
Do they greet you?
Yes, always.
Do you change your clothes?
Yes, into comfortable ones.
Do you rest a little?
Yes, for a few minutes.
Do you check on the children?
Yes, I ask about their day.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most days.
What time do you start?
At 6.
Does your husband help?
Yes, he helps me.
What do you cook today?
Chicken with vegetables.
How long does it take?
About 40 minutes.
Do you use recipes sometimes?
Yes, I find recipes on the internet.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do your children help with dinner?
Sometimes they set the table.
Does your kitchen have everything you need?
Yes, it does.
What time do you have dinner?
At 7.
Where do you eat?
In the dining room.
Do you eat together as a family?
Yes, always.
What do you talk about?
About our day.
Do your children eat vegetables?
Yes, they do.
What do they drink?
Water or juice.
Sometimes fruit or yogurt.
How long is dinner?
About 30 minutes.
Who clears the table?
The children help.
Who washes the dishes?
My husband washes them.
Hey, I think I have something for you.
Oh, really? What is it?
A delivery man left a package for you with me.
A package for me? That's great. I was waiting for it.
He said you were not at home.
Yes, I was at work all day.
No problem at all.
I was happy to take it for you.
Is it big?
Yes, it's a big box.
It's a little heavy.
What did you order?
New shoes for running.
Oh, that's nice. Do you run a lot?
I try to go in the morning.
That's good.
Here is your package. Be careful.
Thank you. Did you have to sign for it?
Yes, I signed on a small machine.
Perfect. That's very kind of you.
It's good to help. We are neighbors after all.
That's true. If you ever need help, just ask.
Thank you. I will.
Well, have a good day.
You too. Enjoy your new shoes.
Thanks again. Bye.
Hello, are you also going up?
Yes, but I think the elevator's broken again.
Oh dear, not again. Are you sure?
I pushed the button, but nothing happened.
It's completely quiet.
You're right, it's not working.
So we have to take the stairs.
Yes. What floor do you live on?
I live on the 5th floor, and you?
I'm on the 4th floor.
It is a long walk.
Yes, it is, especially after a long day.
I have my grocery bags with me.
They are a little heavy.
Do you need help with them?
No, thank you. You are very kind. I can manage.
Well, at least we get some free exercise.
That is a positive way to see it. We just have to go slowly.
That is a good idea.
Do you know when they will fix the elevator?
I have no idea. I hope it's soon.
Me too. It is difficult without it.
But it's nice to see a neighbor. We never talk much.
That's true. We always meet on the stairs.
Well, are you ready to go up?
Yes, let's go.
See, it's not so bad together.
You're right. Thank you. Hello, neighbor.
Oh, hi. Good evening.
I am so sorry to bother you.
Not at all. What can I do for you?
I am in the middle of cooking and I just ran out of salt.
Oh, that happens.
Do you think I could borrow a little bit?
Of course, no problem at all. How much do you need?
Just a spoonful is enough.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
One moment, I will get it for you.
Thank you so much.
Here you go, a small cup with some salt.
This is perfect. Thank you.
You're very welcome. What are you making? It smells delicious.
I am trying to make a tomato soup.
That sounds wonderful on a cold evening.
Would you like to try some when it's ready?
Oh, that is a very kind offer.
Are you sure?
Yes, I made a very big pot. There is plenty.
Well, in that case, I would love to.
Great. I can bring a bowl over in about 20 minutes.
That sounds perfect. Thank you, neighbor.
You're welcome.
Hello, neighbor. Do you have a minute?
Hi. Yes, of course. Does everything all right?
I wanted to talk about your dog.
Oh, what about him?
He barks quite a lot, sometimes late at night.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know it was that loud.
It can be. It sometimes wakes me up.
I understand. That is not good.
I will do something about it.
Thank you. I think he is bored.
Yes, maybe. I work long hours, so he's alone a lot.
Poor thing. Dogs need company.
I know. I feel bad about it.
Maybe a longer walk before you leave could help.
That's a good tip. I can try that tomorrow.
Or maybe a special toy to keep him busy.
Yes, I heard about those.
Thank you for the ideas.
You're welcome.
I don't want to cause trouble.
No, you are right to say something.
Your dog is very beautiful, by the way.
Thank you. His name is Rocky.
He is very friendly.
I can see that.
Well, I am glad we talked.
Me too.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm well, thanks.
Hey, I think I have a letter for you.
Oh, for me? How?
I found it in my mailbox this morning.
It has your name on it?
Oh, thank you for bringing it to me.
I was wondering where it was.
No problem at all. I think the mail carrier made a mistake.
That happens sometimes.
What is your apartment number?
I'm in 3A.
And I'm in 3B. We are right next to each other.
Ah, that makes sense.
Yes, it's an easy mistake to make.
The numbers on the mailboxes are very small.
That's very true.
It is hard to read them.
Maybe we should put bigger name signs on the doors.
That is a great idea, with our names in big letters.
Then maybe the mail will go in the right box.
I hope so.
Most of my mail is just ads, but sometimes there are important letters.
Yes, like this one.
This one looks important.
Well, I'm glad I saw you today.
Me too.
Thank you again for being so helpful.
Of course. That's what good neighbors do.
Definitely.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. See you later.
Hi there. How is your day going?
Hello, it's going well. Thank you.
Quick question. Are you going to the meeting tonight?
A meeting?
Yes, the neighborhood meeting. It's at 7 p.m. downstairs.
Oh, I must have missed the notice on the door.
It's easy to miss. I wanted to make sure you knew.
Thanks for the heads up. What is the meeting about?
We are going to talk about the cleaning schedule for the building.
Oh, that's important.
And also about the elevator. It is always broken.
You can say that again.
I am tired of taking the stairs.
Me too. The building manager will be there.
Good, then we can talk to him.
Exactly. We can also vote on some things.
Like what?
Like getting the garage door repaired.
Oh, I definitely want to be there for that.
So the meeting is at 7?
Yes, in the main lobby.
Okay, I will be there.
Great. See you tonight then.
Yes, see you tonight. Hello, neighbor. Do you have a moment?
Hi. Yes, sure. What's up?
I just wanted to talk about the trash area.
Okay. Is there a problem?
Well, sometimes people leave trash bags on the floor next to the bin.
Oh, I see.
It can make the hallway smell a bit bad.
You have a point. I think I did that yesterday.
I'm sorry.
No problem. I just wanted to mention it.
The large bin was completely full.
I didn't know where to put my bag.
I understand.
But did you know there is a second trash bin?
A second one? Really? Where?
Yes, it's just behind the little door on the left.
Oh, I have never seen that before.
Many people don't know it's there.
If the main one is full, we can use that one.
That is very good to know.
Thank you for telling